Hey, hi, this is Rohan from Spike ROS, and today we are going to cover very important topic in this video, which is the right way to use remarketing or retargeting in B2B and enterprise businesses. Let's get started. So, if you are running B2B ads and retargeting everyone the same way, this video is for you. Here's what we will cover in the next few minutes of this video. Let's understand the topics. So the first is why most B2B retargeting strategies fail. That will be our first topic. Second will be how to break down retargeting by funnel stage. Our third topic will be the right duration to stay visible across long sales cycles. Our fourth topic will be what type of content to show at each stages. In the fifth topic, we'll cover tools you need to build this funnel smart retargeting system. And finally, a simple checklist to audit your own retargeting today. Let's get started. So, whether you are in SaaS, service, or infrastructure, this strategy works if your sales cycle is longer than 30 days. Let's get something straight. Retargeting in B2C is about timing and urgency. Abandoned carts, one-time offers, quick decisions. But B2B, it's not quick. It's not reactive. It's strategic. If you're still showing the same book a demo ad to everyone who touched your website, you're not guiding the buyer. You're just adding the noise. Let's talk about why most B2B retargeting strategies fail. Here's how most setups look. Someone visits your page, then immediately gets hit with a hard sales ad. That same ad follows them for 30 days straight. Here's what's wrong with that. In B2B, your visitor might just be researching. They might be comparing options or just trying to understand the space. If you treat every visitor like they are ready to buy, you lose trust. And worse, if your retargeting stops after 30 days, you disappear before their decision making even begins. So now let's look at how to structure retargeting the right way in B2B and enterprise. Here's my simple 3-stage model we use. And it's very common across all the industries, but obviously the details of it are going to be different for all the industries. So stage 1 is cold visitors, people who visit homepage, blogs, awareness content. So the retargeting window should be 30 to 60 days. These people are top of the funnel. They are early stage and need context. Show them explainer videos, use cases, educational thought leadership. Your call to action should invite discovery. You should use call to action like see how we help, understand the problem, or explore solutions. This should be your first step of remarketing cold visitors. Let's move to the second step, which is warm visitors, people who have visited product pages, about your company and pricing. So retargeting window should be 60 to 90 days for them. These leads are evaluating, they are comparing, maybe talking to their internal team also. So show them content like case studies, testimonials, industrial benchmarks, and CTAs here should be trust focused. That should be around see results, compare options, why you should switch a company, all this kind of CTAs. So this stage is very important, very important. So be sure of what exactly you are giving them to consume. Let's talk about third stage. Third stage is hot visitors. So from starters, downloaders, high intent actions, the retargeting of this window from second stage to the third stage goes from 15 to 45 days. Whoever completes the second stage, first stage, second stage, they are now going to be part of the third stage, and that has to be remarketed for 15 to 45 days. So these are the ones who need a nudge. Nudge is clear, shaking hands. They are close to deciding but not yet sold. So show them personalized offers, demo reminders, value proposition, and compare them with your competitors. CTA should talk to product expert or see tailored pricing, something like that. So this approach lets you stay in present without being aggressive. Now let's talk about tools. Let's walk through the tools you'll need to build the system. It's very basic, it's very common. To make this funnel stage retargeting work, you can use Google Analytics. Obviously, it's very common, and everyone will have this to track page types and behaviors. From that, you can also segment the audiences to rightly insert into remarketing as well, into Google Ads remarketing. You can use meta custom audiences, LinkedIn match audiences to group users by content they consumed. You can use clear bit reveal to enrich anonymous traffic and qualify companies. Use HubSpot or any CRM which you feel like for lifestyle stages with ad audiences in real time. Together, these tools help you automate context-driven stage-specific visibility, which is what B2B retargeting is really about. So at last, let's run through a quick 5-point checklist to audit your current setup. So ask these 5 questions. And if 2 or of this are unclear, that's likely where your performance is stalling. So first question is, are you showing the same ad to everyone? Second is your retargeting window set to 7 or 30 days by default? Do you have different messages for cold, warm, and hot leads? Are you feeding CRM lifecycle or engagement data into your ad platforms? If you're not doing that, you're missing hell lot of important thing. Fifth is, are you using creative formats that match intent and buying stage? Format is also important. Lastly, the final insight is the mindset shift. Retargeting is not your second shot at closing. In B2B, it's your second shot at connection. Buyers do not ghost you because they are not interested. They ghost you because you did not give them the right message at the right moment. So educate first, build trust second, and then convert. Retarget like a funnel, not like a follow-up. That's how real performance is built in B2B and enterprise. Thank you so much. See you on our next video. This is Rohan again from Spike RS. Thank you.